So good to worship God. True worship, I was worshiping in spirit and truth. Hallelujah. I will always worship. I will always worship. I will always worship you. Yeah. When I was down, you raised me up. You gave me life and everything I ever needed. Yeah. When I was blind, you made me see. When I was in troubles, you delivered me. You raised me up, led me up, and took me to a better place. So I will always worship. Yes, I will always worship you. 'Cause you are God. Say I will always worship. Yes, I will always worship you, God. 'Cause you are God. Oh, you are God and God alone. No one else like you. Not only you be God, yeah, yeah. No one can compare to you. Hey, you are Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end, the first and the last. No one else like you, nobody like you. You're my provider, my protector. No one else can compare to you. So that's why I sing, say I will always worship. Oh, that's why I will worship you. 'Cause you are God. Say I will always worship. Lord, I will forever worship you. 'Cause you are God. Yes, you are God. Yes, you are God. Yes, you are God. Yes, you are King. You are my everything, everything to me. You are my Lord. You are Jehovah. You are my God. You are my King. No one else like you. Nobody compares to you. You are mighty. You are mighty. So that's why I will sing, say I will always, I will always worship you, yeah. 'Cause you are God. Yes, you are God.